Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, we will walk through the process of changing a door frame, step by step. First, you will need to gather your essential tools, including a pry bar, a hammer, and a utility knife. Next, it is crucial to accurately measure the existing door frame dimensions to ensure your new frame will fit perfectly. Finally, carefully remove the old door and its surrounding trim, taking care to prevent any damage to your walls. This preparation is key for a smooth installation. Now that you have prepared the area, it is time to dismantle the old door frame. Begin by cutting through any caulk or paint seals around the frame edges with your utility knife. This helps prevent tearing the drywall. Next, use your pry bar to gently loosen and remove the vertical door jambs. Work slowly to avoid damaging the surrounding wall. Finally, carefully extract the old header and sill components from the opening, ensuring all nails are removed. With the old frame removed, we can now install the new one. Carefully position the new door frame into the opening, making sure it is perfectly plumb and level. This precision is vital for a door that operates correctly. Next, secure the frame temporarily with shims, adjusting them until you achieve proper alignment and consistent spacing. Finally, fasten the frame permanently using appropriate screws or nails, typically 3 on each side, ensuring a sturdy and lasting installation. To complete your door frame replacement, we move on to the finishing touches. First, install new trim around the door frame. This provides a clean, professional aesthetic and covers any rough edges. Next, apply caulk to seal any gaps between the new frame and the wall. This step is important for both insulation and a polished look. Finally, paint or stain the new door frame to perfectly match your interior decor, bringing your project to a beautiful conclusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.